Here's a 2026 remake of the 52-inch GE Reese ceiling fan installed in over the kitchen, the dining room, kinda, I guess, over the kitchen dining room table at my Grandma Jay's condo. There's the light. There is still the problem of when the remote for this one seems to trigger these other two. I don't think I've ever showed it, but watch this. Get both in one shot. And there's actually another one of these down in the like guest suite. They have like a guest suite in this building. And I think they installed another one of these a few years ago. Actually, I think it's just right below my grandma. It's just right below on the main floor. So sometimes I was over this one time and I was sleeping over this one time, and this thing, I had I had the light kit. These two were off. The lights were off, and I had the light on in the Caden light on the Caden that's in that room. And suddenly that light went off. This one came on. So they're all on the same remote frequencies, and it's not like a regular fan remote where it just has a learn button on it. It doesn't have like dip switches. I've tried reprogramming this one once, but I think I need to reprogram these ones maybe. But I'll do that some other time. Start it out on low, or speed 1. This one is actually flush. It's a close mount. It's supposed to be. It's a flush close mount fan from the factory. These ones have down rods, but the guy who installed them didn't put the down rods on, which is kind of stupid because I think this is like an 8 or 9 foot ceiling, and you could have gotten away with using a down rod, but whatever. Probably should have been on down rods, if I'm being honest, but you know what? Can't do much about it now. Speed 2. This one, the noises are a lot quieter. Like, I think it's just the like the relays in the receiver. They're a lot quieter on this one than these. Like, these ones are a lot louder. This is like coming off the wall. Speed 3. I don't know if I've ever explained it before, but it replaced. There was another one of those pendant lights here. Actually, the one that's at the lake over the table, it was here. It came from here. Because there was a chandelier there before, a different one at the lake. These things actually throw a decent amount of air. She's in Mexico, so I've been so I'm coming over every weekend to check on her place and run her water. So thought I'd take an opportunity to make these videos because I haven't filmed these fans in a while. So and there we are. Let's turn back on to what it was. And again, she normally leaves them running, but she shut them off just so, like I mentioned before, the one downstairs doesn't interfere with these ones. Because when they got those those Hunter Nosdas in the boardroom downstairs, the meeting room, she was like, "Are they gonna interfere with my fan?" I'm like, "No, they're a different brand." Because those are Hunters. And sorry, I'm trying to put my shoes on. But yeah. So I wanted to film those too. These ones I can film at any time, but those I filmed today because there was no one in there at the moment. No one in that room. And I didn't really want to have someone walking on me when I'm making videos of fans, because I've had that happen before and people look at me weird. But honestly, I don't care. I will fill fans, and I will continue to film fans and make videos, and no one can stop me. All right, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.